Good morning, students. Today's topic is differential equations reducible to linear form. If the differential equation is not in the linear form, then we have to change it into linear form. An equation of the form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q into y power n. So an equation of the form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q into y power n, where p and q are constants or functions of x alone and n is constant except 0 and 1, is called a Bernoulli's equation. So this differential equation dy by dx plus p into y equal to q y power n is called as Bernoulli's equation. Here p and q are constants or functions of x and n equal to 0 and n is constant. So these type of differential equations are called as Bernoulli's equation. Now we have to find out the solution for this Bernoulli's equation. Let us see some problems. First problem, 1 minus x square into dy by dx plus xy equal to xy square. So this is problem. Then the solution for this problem is, so the given equation can be written as dy by, now we have to change this into this form, that is dy by dx plus p into y equal to q by power n. dy by dx, taking 1 minus x square this side, dy by dx plus xy by 1 minus x square equal to xy square by 1 minus x square. Now it is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y equal to q by power n. So here x by 1 minus x square is q and y square is y power n. Here n equal to 2. Now multiplying y power minus 2 on both sides of this equation. Now multiplying y power minus 2 on both sides of this equation, that is y power minus 2 into dy by dx, because here we have y power n value is y power 2. So that we are multiplying this with y power minus 2. Here 2 minus 2 get cancelled, y power 0, that y power 0 is 1. So it is in the form of linear differential equation. For this we have multiplying this with y power minus 2. Y power minus 2 into dy by dx plus x by 1 minus x square into y power minus 1. Here y into y power minus 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Here y power 2 and y power minus 2 get cancelled, x by 1 minus x square. This is equation number 1. Now putting y power minus 1 equal to v. In this equation 1, putting y power minus 1 equal to v. Then differentiation of this is minus 1 x to the power of n, differentiation n into x to the power of n minus 1. Here we have y power minus 1. So minus 1 into y power n minus 1, that is minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 into y power minus 2 dy by dx equal to dv by dx. That is y power minus 2 into dy by dx equal to minus, taking minus this side, minus dv by dx. Now substituting these in equation 1. Y power 2 minus 2 dy by dx value is minus dv by dx plus x by 1 minus x square, and y power minus 1 is v equal to x by 1 minus x square. Now taking minus as common, dv by dx minus x by 1 minus x square into v equal to minus x by 1 minus x square. So this is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. So which is a linear differential equation. Now we are changing the Bernoulli's equation into linear differential equation. So which is a linear equation in v and x. So then we have to find out integrating factor and general solution. Now integrating factor equal to e power integral of p dx. Here p value is minus x by 1 minus x square, and q value is minus x by 1 minus x square. E power integral of minus x by 1 minus x square into dx, taking minus common, integral of x by 1 minus x square dx. So here in the denominator we have 1 minus x square. By differentiating we get minus 2x. So here we have multiplying and dividing with 2. That is minus 1 by 2 into multiplying and dividing minus 1 by 2 into 2x by 1 minus x square into dx. So here this value is log of 1 minus x square, that equal to e power 1 by 2 into log of 1 minus x square. Taking 1 by 2 this side, power 1 by 2, e power log of 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2. Here exponential and logarithm get cancelled, then the remaining is 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2, or it can be also written as under root of 1 minus x square. Now we have to find out the general solution for this. The general solution for this differential equation, linear differential equation is, so here this linear differential equation is in v and x, in variables v and x, so that the general solution is becomes v into integrating factor equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So v into integrating factor 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 equal to q minus x by 1 minus x square, integrating factor 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 into dx plus c. Now putting t equal to 1 minus x square this side, right hand side, so dt becomes minus 2x dx, so that v into 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus x square t, that is minus 1 by t. X dx value is minus 1 by 2 dt, and here 1 minus x square value is t, so 1 by t into t power 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 dt. Then simplifying this, v into 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 into integral of t power minus 1 by 2 into dt plus. So here it is in the form of integral of x to the power of n into dx. We have the formula for integral of x to the power of n into dx is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So that we get here t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So t power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 get cancelled. Remaining t power 1 by 2 plus c. So here v into 1 minus x whole square power 1 by 2 equal to t power 1 by 2 plus c. Now t equal to 1 minus x square. Substituting this in, v into 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 plus c. Then v equal to 1 minus x square taking this side, so by 1 it becomes 1 plus c by 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2, that equal to v minus 1 equal to c into, so taking to the numerator this term from denominator to numerator, 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2. Now we have y power minus 1 equal to v, so substituting y power minus 1 equal to c into 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2. So this can be written as y power minus 1 can be written as 1 by y. So by taking LCM, 1 by y minus 1 minus y by y equal to c into 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2. Then 1 minus y equal to y into c, or c into y 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2. Then 1 minus y equal to cy, this can be written as 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Then 1 minus y into, by doing cross multiplication we get 1 minus y into under root of 1 minus x square equal to cy. So this is the general solution of the given Bernoulli's equation, 1 minus y into under root of 1 minus x square equal to cy. Let us see another problem, that is x into dy by dx plus y equal to y square log x. So the given equation can be written as in the form of dy by dx plus p into y equal to q by power n. dy by dx taking x this side plus y by x equal to y square log x by x. So it is in the form of dy by dx plus 1 by x into y. dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. This value is q, y power n. So here also we are having y power 2. So multiplying on both sides, we have to change this differential equation, Bernoulli's equations, into linear differential equation. For this we are multiplying with y power minus 2 on both sides. That is y power minus 2 dy by dx plus y into y power minus 2 y power minus 1 equal to y power 2 y power minus 2 get cancelled log x by x. This is equation number 1. Now putting y power minus 1 equal to v, then we get minus 1 into y power minus 2 dy by dx equal to dv by dx. That is y power minus 2 into dy by dx equal to minus dv by dx. Then substituting these value in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes minus dv by dx plus 1 by x into y power minus 1 is v equal to log x by x. Here we are taking minus as common. dv by dx minus 1 by x into v equal to minus log x by x. This is equation number 2. So which is in the form of linear differential equation, that is dy by dx plus p into y equal to q, where p equal to minus 1 by x and q equal to minus log x by x. So equation 2 is a linear differential equation in v and x. Now we have to find out the integrating factor for this equation, that is integrating factor is e power integral of p dx, that is e power integral of p minus 1 by x into dx, that equal to e power integral of 1 by x dx value is log x. So here we have minus, so that e power minus log x. Now taking this minus this side, e log x, e power exponential of log x whole inverse. Now exponential logarithm get cancelled, remaining x power minus 1. So x power minus 1 can be written as 1 by x. So that we are getting integrating factor as 1 by x. Now the general solution of this equation, linear differential equation 2, is v into integrating factor equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So v into integrating factor 1 by x equal to integral of q minus log x by x into integrating factor is 1 by x dx plus c. That implies v by x equal to, here we have minus 1 by x square into log x dx plus c. Now putting log x equal to t. Now putting log x value equal to t, then we get 1 by x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x into dx equal to dt. So that v by x equal to minus log x t log x t. 1 by x value is 1 by x into dx. Here we have another 1 by x, t into dt into another 1 by x plus c. But from this log x equal to t, then x equal to, taking log this side, it converted into exponential, that is x equal to e power t. So that 1 by x value becomes 1 by e power t plus c. Therefore v by x equal to minus t into e power t, taking to the numerator e power minus t dt plus c. So here it is in the form of integral of u into v. Then the formula for this is u integral of v dx minus integral of d by du of u integral of v into dv whole d. So that is t integral of e power minus t dt minus d by dt of t integral of e power minus t dt whole dt plus c minus t into e power minus t by minus 1. Integration for e power minus x value is e power minus x by minus 1. So here we are e power minus t by minus 1 minus 1 into e power minus t by minus 1 into dt plus c. So here minus into minus plus t into e power minus t, minus into minus plus into minus minus integral of e power minus t dt plus c. So t e power minus t, e power minus t differentiation e power minus t by minus 1. So minus into minus plus e power minus t plus c. Now taking e power minus t as common, t plus 1 plus c. V by x equal, now putting t equal to log x, that is v by x equal to e power minus log x 1 plus t value is log x plus c. Now also we have y power minus 1 equal to v. Substituting y power minus 1 by x equal to e power minus log x plus into 1 plus log x plus c. Then y power minus 1 can be written as 1 by y. So that 1 by xy equal to 1 plus log x into e power minus log x plus c. Or it can be simplified as 1 plus log x into e power minus log x into xy plus cxy equal to 1. So which is the general solution of given Bernoulli's equation. Next problem, dy by dx plus x into sin 2y equal to x cube cos square y. So here the given equation can be written as now taking this cos square this side, so it 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square is nothing but secant square y dy by dx plus x into sin 2y can be written as 2 sin y cos y by cos square equal to x cube. So that secant square y dy by dx plus here cos get cancelled. 2x sin y by cos y can be written as tan y equal to x cube. So this is equation number 1. Now putting tan y equal to v. Differentiation of tan y is secant square y dy by dx equal to dv by dx. So secant square dy by dx equal to dv by dx plus 2x tan y value is v equal to x cube. This is equation number 2. So it is, the equation 2 is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y equal to cube. So which is a linear differential equation in v and x. So now we have to find out the integrating factor for this equation, that is integrating factor equal to e power integral of p dx, that equal to e power integral of p 2x dx equal to e power 2 into integral of x is x square by 2. So here 2 get cancelled, e power x square. So e power integrating factor equal to e power x square. Then the general solution of equation 2 is v into integrating factor equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. That implies v into integrating factor e power x square equal to q. Q value is x cube, integral of x cube e power x square dx plus c. Now putting x square equal to t on right hand side, only right hand side we are putting x square equal to t, then 2x dx equal to dt. That implies integrating of, this can be written as x into x square. So x square, in place of x square we are substituting t. So x into x square into e power x square dx plus c. So here x square is t e power t and x dx value is from this 1 by 2 dt plus c. So we are getting 1 by 2 integral of t into e power t dt. So here it is in the form of integral of u into v. By simplifying this we get e power t into t minus 1 plus c. Now x square equal to t. Substituting x square equal to t. b into e power x square equal to 1 by 2 into e power x square t minus 1 x square minus 1 plus c. And also we have tan y equal to v. In place of v, we are substituting tan y. Tan y into e power x square equal to 1 by 2 into e power x square minus 1 plus c. Then tan y equal to, so taking this e power x square this side, 1 by 2 e power x square get cancelled, x square minus 1 plus c by e power x square. That so that tan y equal to 1 by 2 into x square minus 1 plus c by e power x square. Then tan y equal to 1 by 2 into x square minus 1, taking this e power x square to the numerator, c into e power minus x square. So tan y equal to 1 by 2 into x square minus 1 plus c into e power minus x square is the general solution of given Bernoulli's equation. Let us take next problem. Y into 2xy plus e power x dx minus e power x dy equal to 0. So this equation can be written as multiplying with y, 2xy square plus e power x into y dx minus e power x dy equal to 0. So taking dx this side, 2xy square plus e power. Now taking this dx this side, we have 2xy square plus e power x into y minus e power x dy by dx equal to 0. So this can be written as, taking minus as common, e power x, or it can be written as 2xy square plus e power x into y equal to e power x dy by dx. Then e power x dy by dx minus e power xy equal to 2xy square. Then dy by dx, taking e power x this side, dy by dx minus e power x by e power x 1 into y equal to 2xy square e power by 2xy square by e power x. This can be written as 2xy square into e power minus x. So this is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. This value is q y power n. So which is a Bernoulli's equation. Now we have to find out or change this equation into linear differential equation. For this we are multiplying with y power minus 2 and both sides. Y power minus 2 into dy by dx minus y power minus 1 equal to 2x e power minus x. So here y power 2, y power minus 2 get cancelled. This is equation number 1. Now putting y power minus 1 equal to v, we get minus 1 y power minus 2 into dy by dx equal to dv by dx. Then y power minus 2 into dy by dx equal to minus dv by dx. Substituting this in equation 1, minus dv by dx minus v equal to 2x e power minus x. Now taking minus as common, dv by dx plus v equal to minus 2x e power minus 2x. Minus 2x e power minus x. This is equation number 2. So it is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. So which is a linear differential equation in v and x. Now we have to find out integrating factor for this. That is e power integral of p dx. E power p value is here 1 into dx. So 1 into dx is x. So we have integrating factor equal to e power x. Then the general solution of this linear differential equation 2 is v into integrating factor equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So v into integrating factor e power x equal to integral of q. Q value is minus 2x e power minus x into e power x dx plus c. That implies v into e power x equal to, taking minus 2 common, x e power minus x e power plus x, e power 0 is nothing but 1. So x into dx plus c, that equal to minus 2 into x into the integral of x is x square by 2. So here 2 get cancelled. So v e power x equal to minus x square plus c. Now we have y power minus 1 equal to v. Substituting in this, y power minus 1 into e power x equal to minus x square plus c. So e power x by y. Y power minus 1 can be written as 1 by y. E power x by y equal to minus x square plus c. Then by cross multiplication, e power x equal to minus x square y plus cy. Now taking this to this side, left hand side, e power x plus x square y equal to c into y. So which is the general solution of a given Bernoulli's equation? E power x plus x square y equal to c into y.